Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can fix the camera not working issue in your Windows 10 computer. So you use your Windows 10 computer to attend online classes, or you work from home, you need to attend meetings and you need the camera of your Windows 10 computer to work, but for some reason the camera is not working properly and you want to fix that issue but you can't figure out how you can do it. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to fix a camera in your Windows 10 computer. So the first way you want to try to fix your camera is open your start menu and go into your settings. From your settings, what you want to do is go into your privacy. In privacy, when you scroll the left list, you can see the camera option. Open the camera option. Once you open the camera option, you land on an interface like this. Here what you want to do is allow the camera access to the device that you're using. So to do that, what you want to do is tap on the change button. Then if this toggle is not enabled, enable it, turn it on. Then what you want to do is scroll down and then you want to allow the apps to access the camera as well. So to give that permission, you need to enable this toggle as well. Then scroll down. Here you'll see the list of applications that can use a camera. So check the application that you want to use has been given permission or not. If not, like this, the desktop app web viewer has not been given permission in my Windows. What will I do is I'll just toggle this on. Now this application also has my camera access allowed, so do that. Once you do that, scroll down and allow apps to access a camera. Then enable this toggle as well. Once you do that, go to your camera application, check your camera whether it's working or not. If it's still not working, what you want to do is close this page. Now from here, what you want to do is go into device manager. To do that, search device manager in your search bar. Once you search for device manager in the search bar, open it from the best match section. Once you open a device manager, you land on an interface like this. From here, what you want to do is locate the camera. From camera, what you want to do is open and see the list of cameras that you've connected. So if you have connected an external camera to your system, you will see the list here. Now what you want to do is locate the camera that you want to use, then right click on it. Once you right click on it, what you want to do is select the uninstall device option. Once you select the uninstall device option, a pop-up like this will open for a confirmation. Tap on the uninstall option. Then you'll notice that the camera hardware has been uninstalled from your system. Now what you want to do is go into action. From action, tap on scan for hardware changes. Once you do that, you can see the camera option is back here. What you want to do is double click on it, then open the camera that you want to use, double click on that, then go into your drivers. From here, what you want to do is update your driver. Check whether your driver is up to date or not. If it's not, go ahead and update your driver. You can automatically download and install the driver for your cameras by selecting the search automatically for drivers option, or you can download the driver for your camera from your browser and locate it and install it manually. So go ahead and do one of those. Once you do that, go and check your camera. Your camera must be working now. If it still does not work, then you need to check for hardware issues. So if you find an hardware issue, that means the camera has been damaged, so you'll need to replace the camera in order to use the camera again. So those were the simple steps in order to fix the camera in your Windows 10 computer. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.